these are your guideposts. Self-determination, the right to govern yourself.
The Tribal Leadership Academy is a vision by which Dartmouth can partner with tribes on leadership formation. It's designed to attract newly elected or appointed tribal government leaders, bring them on campus for a one-week series of sessions with an expert panel of faculty presenters to engage with each other and with this faculty panel on issues that are going to be on their plate as newly elected or appointed tribal leaders. We know that for many tribes, the leadership comes into office with little to no background on critical areas like law, history, economic development, healthcare, etc. The Academy provides exposure to those areas and provides an opportunity for them to really engage thoughtfully.
As a growing leader, it was very important for me to continue to develop, some of my skill sets, refine my tribal leadership skills, because I know that I'll be serving in that capacity as a governor in the future. So I'm always looking at ways to invest in my leadership so that I can make the most sound decisions for my community and they have a long-lasting impact.
There are several other universities and colleges that have been initiating these, and this one is clearly different because it brought together alumni from the school that are walking in these paths and bringing in not only their experience from Dartmouth, their education, but their experience in an environment that is all about the natives.
Bringing those other resources.
We budget time within the Academy for lots of engagement, lots of discussions, lots of reflection, some exercises where they can take the substantive content that is delivered by the faculty presenters and talk about ways to strategically apply that in their setting.
As a new tribal leader, I'm now about to eclipse 1 year as an elected official for the Oneida Nation, and so I'm still learning. And any type of learning opportunities that are out there for me or for any other tribal leaders out there, I think it's important for all of us to participate in these, and it's good to have a well-rounded group of tribal leaders, and that's what we have here.
This first inaugural effort succeeded in building that network of tribal leaders who are inspired, feeling a bit more confident in the task that they have to bring back and to be leaders in their tribal nations.